Hello, welcome to my channel. We are going to be hemming these airy leggings. This is my second time I will be hemming anything in my life, and spoiler alert, it did not come out that professional, but good enough. It looks okay from the front, but from the back, even with sneakers, it drags on the ground, which I hate. I know my fellow shorties will understand. Anyway, I bought these leggings in a size small, in a regular, and then I found out they sell them in short. So the brown ones you see are actually the short size, and I couldn't return these black ones, so I'm just using the brown ones as a reference. So that kind of made my life easier, and it's about 2 inches that I have to cut. So this is me actually trying to measure here, and then I pinned everything. Where the pins are, I don't trust myself because I can't cut in a straight line because I'm left-handed. So I pinned it, and I only cut up to where the pins were. So this is what we cut off. And I learned from all my YouTube sewing tutorials that I've consumed that I should keep that scrap piece and use it as a tester before I start sewing the actual pants. And now what I'm doing is folding an inch inside the pants and then pinning it because I know I'll be using my twin needle and I have to sew on the outside, on like the good side of the pants, if that makes sense. And you might be saying, Amanda, folding it in an inch is a lot of seam allowance. Yeah, I know, but I'm a beginner and I need the extra fabric for just in case, and then I'll cut it off once I'm actually done, okay? Let me live my life. The pinning actually took so freaking long. I'm happy I was done with that, and this is the twin needle I'll be using. It came with my machine. And I chose a straight stitch with this twin needle because it would look better on the outside, like when I'm wearing the pants. But oh my god, they're so annoying to thread because you have to manually thread both threads, and I was just losing my mind. And here's my emotional support ice cream, cookies and cream all day. All day, son, all day. So, this is me testing it on the scrap piece that we cut off, and it came out okay. I think I really, really have to practice sewing in a straight line. I'm working on it. I definitely messed up the pants. I'll show you guys, don't worry. And even though the scrap piece came out not the greatest, I was like, okay, good enough. I'm gonna go work on the actual pants I really care about and I want to wear. And yeah, so I was working on it, and then it bird's nested on me. With practice makes perfect, right? That's what they say. I hope so. But anyway, I guess I'll show you my embarrassing lines for these pants. Okay, listen. My first pair of pants came out great. You can watch the short. I'll link it up here. They came out pretty decent, okay? I was able to keep a straight line. This material, I will say, is so stretchy. Yes, I need way more practice doing straight lines, but they were so stretchy. It was crazy. And my other material I worked on, it was like way thicker and didn't move as much. So that is my defense. That's my excuse. But I highly doubt anyone's going to bend down and look at the actual lines. And it came out great, and now I can wear it with sneakers. It's not going to drag and get dirty. And yeah, this was successful in my opinion. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to see my sewing journey. Bye!